Mr. Chairman, did you guys vote to release this report?
A U.S. House Ethics Committee ended a closed-door meeting on Wednesday deadlocked over whether to release a report on alleged sexual misconduct by former Republican Representative Matt Gaetz, President-elect Donald Trump's pick for U.S. Attorney General.
There was no consensus on this issue.
The panel's top Democrat, Representative Susan Wild, said the committee, which is evenly divided between 5 Republicans and 5 Democrats, could not agree on the issue after members voted along partisan lines. She said the committee will meet again on December 5th, but it was not clear if the panel could take action before then. Gaetz resigned his House seat last week, hours after Trump tapped him to lead the Department of Justice, raising questions in Congress about the future of the panel's investigation into allegations that Gaetz had sex with a 17-year-old girl. Some Senate Republicans have called for details of the probe to be released. Gaetz met on Wednesday with Senate Republicans, who have the power to confirm or block him from office as the party regained control of the chamber in the election earlier this month. On Tuesday, Trump said he hadn't reconsidered his pick to run the Justice Department.
Mr. President, are you reconsidering the nomination of Matt Gaetz?
Some Senate Democrats on Wednesday asked the FBI to turn over its investigative file on Gaetz. The former lawmaker has said federal prosecutors informed him in 2023 that they would not seek criminal charges against him after nearly 3 years of investigating sex trafficking allegations. Gaetz has denied all wrongdoing. The close Trump ally has never worked in the Justice Department or served as a prosecutor at any level of government, and is one of a growing list of Trump nominees who lack the resumes typically seen in cabinet heads and who in some cases hold grudges against the agencies they have been tapped to run.